Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove your email address from Roblox. Now, it's a very easy process. So firstly, open Roblox. Then, just simply click on the gear option at the top right over here. Then go to settings. And over here you will have an email address section where you will already have an email address. Now to remove this, all you have to do is click on this pencil option. Then you have to add a random email address over here or a secondary email address. Then click on change email. Now a verification code have been sent on your registered email address. So just simply go inside your inbox and get the code. As you can see, this is the code right over here. Now go back to your settings page, enter the code. And after you have entered your code, you'll find this option right over here. An email has been sent for verification. And you will see that the email address that was over here have been changed. So now all you have to do is just simply verify the new email address and you will be good to go. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.